Hello students, welcome to the lecture series on data structures. In this video, we are going to learn binary search algorithm. So you are given an input array and you have to identify if an element is present in the array or not. So moving to the program, we will start the program. So this is a C++ program. So we are starting in the main. In the main, we are having declared various variables required for this program to work. So it will be reading the number of elements, entire array, and after that it will be asking you for the key that you want to search. So that value is stored in a variable known as key. Now I am calling my function or method binary search by passing the arguments ARR, that is my original array, n is the size of the array, and key is the value I have to search. Now the return value is stored in a variable known as result. Now based on the return value from the algorithm or the method, we will display if the element is present or not. Okay, so moving to the method, what is happening is, so you are having this method and it has three parameters. It receives an array, its size and key. Now it has three variables, low, high and mid. So what this low means is, it stands for the index number 0 initially, and high stands for size -1. That is, if you are having an array of size 7, your last index will be of 6. So that is high equal to size -1. Now we have to complete it until our low index is less than or equal to high. That means until this condition is satisfied, we have to continue working. So what it does is, initially it will identify the mid value. That is, it will identify what element is the middle value of the entire array. For example, in this example I have taken, I have index 0 to 6, then I have elements 12, 16, 18, 21, 25, 36 and 42. Okay, so what it does, it will do 0 plus 6 by 2, 3. So 3 is my mid element, index number 3 is my mid. So the value is 21. Imagine I have to search for 36. So what I will do is, I have identified 21 as my middle element. Now comes the comparison. Now if the key value is less than this middle element, then I have to search in this portion only. That means I have to search among 12, 16 and 18 only. That is, my low index has been the same while my high index has changed. That means initially which high was 6, now it has to become 2. That means high is equal to mid -1. So if my key value was smaller, my high index has changed, whereas my low index is still the same. Okay, otherwise if my key is greater than array of mid, that means in my example I have assumed to search for 36. So my 36 is greater than 21. So what I have to do is, I have to search in this right part. So my high value is same, but my low has changed. That means my low is equal to mid plus 1. So previously mid was 3, now the mid value is 4. Now the low value is mid plus 1, that is 4. Okay, so this is how you need to adjust your high or low values according to the condition you have satisfied. That is, if key is smaller or key is greater. Okay, otherwise two conditions I have searched, if it is less, if it is greater. Otherwise if it is matching, that is if it is equal, that means if I had to search for 21, then I can directly stop here, right? So at the element number, index number 3, I have found the value I wanted to search. If I had to search for 21, so just directly return mid and display your result here. Element is found at the index number per 3. In our case 21 is at 3. Okay, now another case for 36, when we had to go for 36, our index had changed. Our index was 6 and our low index was 4. So 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 10 by 2 will give me 5. I will compare it with index number 5, that is giving me value 36. So when I had to search for 36, I got it at index number 5. Now imagine I want to search for element number 45. So even after comparing 42, I will not get that particular value. So everything is exhausted and it has returned value of -1. So it will display, if result is equal to -1, it's going to display element is not present in the given array. Okay, so this is how binary search algorithm works. Mainly you have to iterate until low less than or equal to high. It is because you can see here, if I have matched 36, fine. If I had not matched 36, then I will have a single array to search. Okay, so that is your exhausting condition. Then you are identifying the middle element, you are comparing it if it is equal, less or smaller, and you are adjusting your high, low and mid values. Okay, and one prerequisite for the binary search is you need to give a sorted array as your input. So that is the must condition you have to follow in binary search. While in linear search, what you do is you directly go from one element to another, compare the values and exit once you get the value or you have traversed the entire array. Okay, so this is the concept of binary search along with the program. Thank you for watching this video. I will bring you algorithm for sorting in my next videos. So stay connected and keep learning. Thank you.